Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change status into your Slack application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change your status in Slack, you just simply have to open the Slack application into your device. Then after opening the Slack application, just simply tap into your profile at the top right corner, and from there you will get to see this update your status button directly. Just simply tap into that update your status button and then you can select any of the status from here. Just simply tap to the status you want to select and then click to save button at the top right. By following this very easy step, you can easily select your status in Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.